In this video, we're going to cover how to install a new fender liner on your BRZ, FRS, or GT86. So I don't know what my dumbass did, but when I was on my way home, I heard like this rubbing sound, so I stopped. That like clip failed or something, and then it caused it to dangle, and then it caught up in the tire or whatever. So anyway, we got a new one. So we'll go ahead, we'll get this guy replaced with this guy, so everything is nice and honky-dory. Oh yeah, that's definitely a little bit of a problem there. So I mean, it looks like all this is just held in by all those little plastic clips that everybody seems to hate. So let's see, one up there, we got two back there, three here. Okay, cool, this should be pretty quick and easy. So let's go ahead, get our tools, wherever I left that thing at. Oh, there's a weird-ass thumb screw thing here. I'll show you in a second. I didn't see that at all. See no rust. It's a plus. Alrighty, so here's the extent of the damage. Holy shit, look, I took a big chunk out of that. Wow. Alrighty. You have the whole like wind thing. Supposed to be like a little lip there. It's supposed to have like this on it. That's completely gone. As you see, no gaping hole in the new one. So I got the old liner out. I went on Amazon and bought like this assorted set of Subaru clips. It looks like it's mainly these, this one, and maybe some of these really small ones for, I believe for down here. Yeah, those should work perfect. So yeah, it should have all the three sizes you need because they do vary. It's not all the same size for whatever reason. I don't know what their thought process for that was. But yeah, let's go and we'll get the new liner put up. So the first thing you want to do is tuck up and this, lip all around and make sure everything is just meeting up nice and flush with where you need to be mounting them. And I haven't even put in a single one yet. We want to clear, make sure we're not wrapping up any like these lines or anything like we shouldn't be. And now we should be just about all lined up to put all the little clips in. So we got a few of the clips already in. Now we're going to go ahead and put the little, I don't know, this is like a locating pin or something, I don't know. But there's this massive stud. So that's in. Cool. So now really just got to go all around and get the get all the various clips just put back in. All right, so we got the last clip here. Go and get this guy put in. There we go, the fender liner is officially replaced. So a few tips, I don't know if I covered this yet, but start with tucking this lip up here first. And then start with, I started with this side, and it lined up perfectly. But I'm sure you can really start any way you want, and it'll work. So there you go, there's how you would replace your fender liner. And of course, then you would just stick your side marker back in, and you'd be good to go. So there we go, that's how we'd replace the fender liner in a BRZ, FRS, or GT86. I'll leave links in the description to the fender liner and the clips and everything else I use for the process. If you have any questions regarding the process, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll do absolutely everything I can to help you out over the internet anyway. And as always, I'd like to thank each and every single one of you for watching. If you'd like to subscribe for more meteor content like this, please do, and take care.